Hi there, in today's video, we are going to discuss about top 5 important Excel features that will help you if you are working with accounting. We have already discussed some Excel functions. If you want to learn, you can click on the link. This video is about the features and not about the functions. So let's start. The first feature is Go to Special. Go to Special in Excel allows you to quickly locate and select cells of a specific type in your worksheet. Only cells in the current worksheet are selected and not the entire workbook. If a range has been selected, Go to Special will also search within that range. The Go to Special dialog box can be used to look up formulas, constants, blanks, visible cells, and conditional formatting among other things. So here with a huge data, if you want to quickly see which cells have formulas and which are constants, so go to the home menu, click on the find and select option, and here there are some shortcuts of the functionalities, so you can directly select it from here. Let's say we want to highlight the cells which are constants, so select this and you can immediately see the cells which are constants. Here if you notice, only 3 cells are not selected. Why? Because these cells contains formulas. If I go back and select formulas, you can see these are the 3 cells which are highlighted. If you need to do some edit, you can quickly change the font color of the cell. You can again select the go to option and you can check all the available options inside the Go to Cell dialog box. You can also press Ctrl plus G, the shortcut key for Go to, and to get the special part press Alt S. The next feature is Automatic Subtotal. Sorting and filtering and using AutoSum to present report style spreadsheets are all great ways to work with your data. But there's a better way. How can you display raw data in a way that allows you to see subtotals, then suppress and expand to create a beautiful Excel spreadsheet? This is a fantastic feature that allows you to add a subtotal row to your spreadsheet without having to write any formulas. Here's how. Here I have account number, particular, date and amount. And I wanna add a subtotal every time the account changes. Before I use the functionality, I will sort every account and group them together. So right click here and click on the sort A to Z. Here you can see it will sort all the accounts you have mentioned. Let's subtotal the similar accounts. Go to the data and under the outline option you can see the subtotal. Click on that. And here is the dialog box of the subtotal that contains some questions. First, you have to select the place where subtotals to be added. So here select particular. Second, which function should we use? The sum function to subtotal the amounts. Third, which column you want the sum of? We want it in the amount column. If you have already any subtotals, you can replace it from here, or you want the result in an other page, so you can select the check marks. I will leave the summary below data and press OK and see the magic. This function quickly subtotal the similar account and add the subtotal in the amount column. And in the end, you can see the grand total. Isn't it the best function? So the next function is conditional formatting. In Excel, conditional formatting allows you to highlight cells with a specific color based on their value. With this, you can quickly visualize and understand your data. For example, in the amount column, I want to highlight the top 10%. Select this range by pressing Ctrl Shift down and go to the conditional formatting. In the top bottom rules, select top percent. You can format your conditions from here. Let's say green fill with dark green text. Click OK. It will automatically apply the different format to the cells and highlight them. You can of course add more than one condition. Let's again select the amount and go to the conditional formatting. In the top bottom rules, let's select bottom 10%. and let the formatting will be the same. Here, if you can see, the bottom 10% and the top 10%. All of this is dynamic. When you change any data, it will also change the highlighted cell. Apart from this, you have lots of condition here. You can also create new rules for formatting. If you want to clear the formatting, go to the clear rules, and you can either clear rules from the selected cells or from the entire sheet. This is gonna clear all your conditional formatting rules from the sheet. The next function is remove duplicate. Excel has a built-in tool that can help you remove duplicate entries from your spreadsheet. Duplicate records are more likely to appear as the dataset grows in size. If they aren't identified and dealt with properly, it can be a problem. Let's take a look at the procedure for removing duplicates in Excel. Here I have data which contains duplicates of some accounts. So to remove that, go to the data, and here you can see the remove duplicate option. Click on that and notice that my active cell is somewhere in the data set. So when I select it, it automatically picks up the header. Now click OK, and you can see 5 duplicate values found and removed, 12 unique values remain. Click OK. This is based on the combination of these two columns. You can also run this for single column or more columns as you need. The next and the last feature is Flash Fill feature. Flash Fill is a data tool in Microsoft Excel that will allow you to combine, extract, or transform data based on a few examples. You only need to give few examples of the desired outcomes. Excel will make a guess at the pattern and fill in the rest of the data for you. The first one is product code and the description of that product. But you can see this all data are in one column, which looks messy. So we need to split this into two columns. We don't have to worry about putting any formulas or using of any tools. All you need to do is type the data in the first cell. Like here, the product code is 111 and enter. And for the rest, select all the range and press Ctrl E. Do the same for the description. Type the first product, and instead of selecting the range and press the shortcut key, type the next product, and you can see Excel will automatically take the hint what you are doing. So press enter and it will select the rest of the product. I hope this video helps you to learn important features to smooth your accounting work in Excel. Keep watching for more videos.